New Product, and Amazon will create a new product detail page. To do this, you can either select Create a new listing from the search results page, or you can select I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon from the Add Products page. You can then browse for your category or search for it in the search bar. If you frequently add products from the same category, start a favorites list for easy access in the future. Click the star to the left of the category to add a favorite. Once you find the most specific category that describes your product, click on Select Category to continue. If there's a lock icon preventing you from selecting a category, it requires approval or is restricted. Click the Learn More link next to the lock icon for more information about these scenarios. Once you've selected a category, enter all required product information to complete your listing. Product information is organized in tabs at the top of the page. Fields marked with a red asterisk and box are required. Make sure to follow Amazon's quality standards when filling out this information. Adding rich information like properly formatted titles, high-quality images on white backgrounds, detailed product descriptions, and bullet points helps customers make well-informed purchasing decisions. If you don't include all required product data, it could result in your products receiving quality alerts or being suppressed. To view all optional tabs and fields for your listing, turn on Advanced View from the top right corner. Adding precise optional information helps increase listing discoverability. If you have a product that varies in size or color, you don't have to add each of these variations separately. Let's learn how. From the Variations tab, select Variations Theme option and choose how your product varies. This is also called Parent-Child Variations. For example, let's say you sell one style of juicer that comes in 4 different colors. In this case, you'd select the variation theme, Color. In this example, the parent item is the juicer, and the 4 child items are each of the color options. Enter the specific color you want the customer to read in each text box. Once entered, click on Add Variations. From here, update each child item with your offer information. This includes your seller SKU, the product ID, condition, price, and quantity. Required fields for each item are marked with a red border. The product information you fill out on the other tabs will be copied for each child item. It is important that you enter statements that can apply to all products in the variation. You will be able to adjust each child listing individually once the variation is built. Once the child items are created, you'll need to add images by editing each child ASIN individually. When you're done entering product information on all tabs, click on the Save and Finish button. This button will be enabled when all required product data is complete and errors are addressed. A red exclamation mark will guide you to any tabs missing required product data or containing errors.